Welcome to Ujixin Machinery. We are a factory-based manufacturer specializing in the research, production, manufacturing, and sales of concrete equipment. We are committed to providing stable, efficient, and reliable concrete equipment solutions for customers worldwide. From raw material processing, structural welding, and component assembly to complete machine testing and final inspection, we strictly control every production process to ensure stable performance on different project sites. Our main products include concrete batching plants, cement silos, concrete mixers, screw conveyors, aggregate batching systems, conveying systems, and related supporting equipment. Whether your project is for ready-mix concrete production, precast concrete production, building construction, road and bridge projects, or a small building materials factory, we can provide suitable equipment configurations according to your capacity requirements, site conditions, budget, and working methods. During equipment manufacturing, we focus on structural strength, stable operation, accurate weighing, and convenient maintenance, helping customers reduce operating costs and improve production efficiency. We provide not only single machines, but also one-stop support, including solution design, equipment production, container loading, installation guidance, and after-sales service. With a stable supply chain, professional technical team, and rich project experience, Ujixin Machinery has served customers in many countries and regions. Choosing us means choosing more than equipment. It means choosing a reliable long-term partner. Ujixin Machinery focuses on concrete equipment manufacturing and provides more efficient solutions for your projects.